I'm at Wisley today on one of my monthly visits to check over the trees that we have loaned to Wisley. This collection at Wisley has been going since 1997. I was approached back in 97 by the then President of the Royal Horticultural Society, Sir Simon Hornby, to put on this display. But the history of bonsai at Wisley goes back much longer than that. Back in 1974, when I was a member of the British Bonsai Association, there was a lot of talk about starting a bonsai collection. And the two biggest clubs at that time, which was the Bonsai Kai and the British Bonsai Association, were approached by the RHS to put up a bonsai display. But there was quite a lot of disagreement as to who would provide the trees and what would happen if the trees got stolen and who would care for the trees. So it never got off the ground. So between 1974 and 1997, a gap of 23 years, nothing ever happened. And it was only then in 97 that Sir Simon Hornby approached me to put on the display. So he said, "What are the conditions?" I said, "There are no conditions. I'll provide you the trees, provided you water it during the week and look after the trees. I will come regularly to trim it, and you can have the display for nothing." So this is the history of Wisley. And here we are today. There are 36 large bonsai and some large garden trees. A lot of people enjoy looking at the trees, and I do it just because I want to give people enjoyment of bonsai. So here we are. You've seen some of the trees. There are 36 big trees, and we have maples, junipers, pines, horse chestnut, you name it. Most of the species are represented here. here, and I hope you enjoy the shots that we have shown you at Wisley. It's a lovely place. Do come and visit Wisley when you can and support the RHS. Thank you.